I just got these online and they are so convenient. I was so tired of my old funnel taking up so much room in my kitchen drawer, and man am I glad I found these. They came with all different sizes and fold in so that they fit easily in my drawers. They worked great, and they are a great substitution for a regular funnel.
They even poured really clean, which I was surprised about because of all the ridges on the inside.
My favorite thing about them is how satisfying they are to unfold and push back down.
I would definitely recommend these.